In this video, I am going to share how to run conversion ads. Hey, I am Imran Silva. Now let's get started. Conversion ads are very important for every business. For example, if you have created a landing page for your product or service, you can run conversion ads to that landing page and drive conversions on it or sell your product or service. To run conversion ads, you need to go to Facebook Ads Manager and then click create button. After you click create button, there will be different types of objectives which you can run ads for. In our case, we need to run ads. We need to run conversion ads. So click on conversions and click continue. So the first step is to name the campaign. So there are three levels. The first one is campaign level. The second one is ad set level. The third one is ad level. Name your campaign. After you are done with naming the campaign, you will see a special ads category. This is only if you are into credit card, employment, housing, or social issues. If you want to run ads for these things, in our case, it's not an option. So next is A/B test. You can run A/B test just to test which one works better. So which ad works better. Click on campaign budget optimization and add the amount which you want to run ad for. So this is daily budget. You can also choose lifetime budget, but daily budget is more helpful. But I find daily budget helpful. Click the next button on the bottom right corner. Now we are on ad set level. For ad set level, you need to name it. Then you need to choose the conversion event location. Choose the one which you want. So if you want conversion on your website, choose website. If you want it on app, choose app. If not, if you want it on Messenger or WhatsApp, choose the one which you want. In my case, I am using website. Pixel conversion event. You can add a conversion event also. For example, I'll add my landing page. There are many options here. I'll make a separate video regarding Facebook Pixel. These are not enough. After you are done with that, come directly to budget and scheduling. Choose the date which you want to start and end. Click on set and end date. Add the day which you want to end it and the time. After you are done with this, go to audiences. In audiences, you can either choose saved audiences or create a new one. We'll create a new one. You can include and exclude different demographics, interests, etc. First, we'll start with location. You can add the location which you want. You can also exclude places which you don't want to show the ad by clicking here and choose the exclude button. You can also exclude people by clicking here and then clicking the exclude button. So if you put the locations here, those locations will be excluded and your ad won't be shown there. Now comes age. You can choose the age which you feel your potential customers are there. Gender. You can choose all genders, or if your brand is especially for a particular gender, then you can choose the one which you want. Detailed targeting. In detailed targeting, you can target people based on their behaviors, interests, or demographics. So in our case, I have put digital marketing as an interest. I can also add other things. I can target Facebook page admins. This is an behavior. Also, I can exclude people which I don't want. This is the exclude people. You can choose exclude button and this will come up. So I have kept this mark check. It will reach your detailed targeted selections and it will help you improve the performance. Placements. Automatic placements are the one which Facebook chooses. So in Facebook feed, stories, and Instagram and Messenger and a lot of other things which Facebook chooses. In manual placements, we choose the feeds, stories, or other where we want to show the ad. So I'm choosing the automatic placements. If you know that your ad will work better in stories and you are optimized the ad for stories, then go into manual placements and then choose uncheck all this and keep stories on. Uncheck all these things and keep the stories checked if your ad is optimized for only stories. In my case, I'm targeting everything, so it would be better for Facebook to choose the one which they feel is good. Optimization and delivery. You can put cost controls here. If you want conversions at a particular rate, then you can put it here. Click the next button after you are done with this. Now it's time for ad level. So this is where ad comes in life. Then choose the Facebook page and to connect the Instagram account, click the connect button. Ad setup. So here you can put either one image or a video. The second option is carousel. The third option is collection. Collection is collection of pictures. To add the creative which you have designed or the video which you have created for your ad, click here and add the image or add video. This is the primary text and add the primary text here. And then headline. And write the description. Then comes destination. Destination will change based on what you have chosen before. For example, I have chosen website, so here it comes website. If you have chosen something else, so this changes. After that, choose the call to action relevant for you. There are many options here. You can choose the one which is relevant for your ad. For example, if you are a consultant, then you can choose the book now option. If you have chosen WhatsApp, you can choose the WhatsApp message. In my case, it's learn more. Then add the language. Add the language which you feel your target audience. Add the language of your targeted audience. And you are done. So this is how your ad will be shown in feed. Then there are other forms also. This will be on Instagram feed. So after you are done with all of this, click the publish button, and in a few minutes it will be reviewed by Facebook and it will be live. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section, and also subscribe for more social media marketing tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.